Hey everybody, this is Chris with Octopus Home Inspections. Today I am at a church that was built in 1900. Currently I'm in the basement area here. Now this structure wasn't built with a basement originally. It was only built with a crawl space. So some time ago, many decades ago, people had the idea to come in here and dig down a little space below the sanctuary hall. The reason that this is bad is that they dug away the soil, but they didn't add a retaining wall. So there's nothing actually holding the soil in place. So what I've noticed is part of the structure has sagged on the interior side. And then when I came down here, I noticed that the soil that was unretained has kind of slid in like an avalanche. I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around and show you what the dangers of unretained soils are, especially when they're holding up very heavy structure above. Okay, so here you can see the soil line, that there's nothing holding it back. It's just been dug out. It's just dirt. So the wall area above us here has a pronounced sag to it. The floors are caving in on both sides of the wall itself. So one of the things I noticed is right here, this soil here all had more of a landslide and came in. And then this is all soil too that's been covered up with the black vapor barrier. And then this is a piece of sheet metal that somebody just leaned up against the side of the soil to help keep it in place. But when you come around the corner here of the unretained soil, and then right here, you can see there's a big pier pad here that that broke the soil out during the landslide that I just described, and then I would imagine sunk down in elevation, which gave the interior walls and floors a slope. So that's the dangers of digging out an area below a structure that can happen. It can have a landslide, and all of this soil has the ability to come in. So here, if we back up, if we have an earthquake here in the Portland area, which they're predicting due to the subatomic plates in the Pacific Ocean, there's a chance that all of this soil will get going and it'll get liquefied, and then it will just come in and equalize out. Well, if that happens, all the structure that's built on top of this, we saw that other pier pad right there, all of that's just going to come like this. And so the interior of the building will cave in and on the exterior sides of the walls. So this isn't a smart thing to do. I see it often enough in the area, and I always just want to warn people against having a bright idea of trying to dig out a basement under an existing structure.